Asahin mo, anay mo biyo sa tingin na.
Upload kayo na naman.
At eto na naman tayo mga boss, mga master, at samahan nyo akong usisain ang mga video na panonorin natin ngayong araw na to. Kung totoo ba o hindi, o gawa-gawa lang, o tunay talagang nangyayari. Kaya umpisahan natin at matakot.
A woman was recording when she stumbled upon a mysterious Greek hole in the ground. Driven by curiosity, she decided to take a look inside, and what was hiding down there would completely shock you.
Hola?
So, did you see that? What do you think is hiding down at the bottom of that hole? Is it some kind of flame, unknown creature? Or is this whole video just staged? Or could it actually be something out of this world? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.
Pwedeng maaaring totoo o gawa-gawa lang. Pero kung mapapansin mo yung ano ba tawag diyan, anino o
Is
nilalang
hiding down at the bottom of that hole? Is it some kind of flame, unknown
kumbaga kakaiba yung itsura niya.
creature? Or is this whole video just staged? Or could it actually be something out of this world? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.
Baka malay mo mga ano lang yan, hayop na nahulog dun sa loob ng balon, di ba? Pero di rin natin alam kung ano talaga yun kasi hindi naman tayo nandun mismo sa pangyayari. Kaya bahala na kayo kung ano sa isip nyo kung ano yun, di ba?
What started as a peaceful family camping trip was meant to be a fun, relaxing getaway until they reviewed their video and noticed something strange lurking in the background. It seems nobody noticed it while they were filming, but what was actually caught on tape? Take a close look at this footage and see for yourself.
What? 離れてやる。大丈夫ですか？ダメじゃん。
美味しい。芋さん。
If you look closely, you can see a faint white figure walking away from their campsite. You might think it's just one of the family members, but if you look again, it clearly doesn't appear to be a living person. It looks more like a white, translucent shadow moving through the trees. The family had no idea anything was there while they were camping. It wasn't until they went back and reviewed their footage that they realized they had captured something truly unexplainable.
Kung papansin mo, ano talaga siya, no? Puti lang, no? Pero di rin natin alam kung totoo ba yan. Di ba? Kasi yung lalaking eto, nakatingin siya dun, Parang alam niya, Pero, ewan lang natin, no? Kung nakikita niya, hindi natin alam yung sitwasyon nila, Kaya kayo na bahala ang humusga.
This viral video comes straight from a hospital in America, captured right inside their morgue. Let's take a look at why it went viral and see what was actually caught on tape. Let's check it out.
Uy, gumalaw. So, CCTV lang to. Nakot ng CCTV. Kaya nakakatakot yung ganyan, no? Makakita mo yung ganyan, gumalaw o dalawas na sila. Ayan, no?
So, what do you think after watching that? Did the stretcher carrying a deceased body really just move on its own? Followed shortly by a second one moving with both bodies stirring and seemingly interacting with each other? Do you believe this was genuine, unexplained footage? Or was it
Nag-appear pa,
all just a clever edit? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let us know.
Pero kung titingnan mo,
Did he really just
parang
move on its own? Followed shortly by a second one moving with both bodies stirring and seemingly interacting with each other.
parang gawa-gawa lang eh, no? Kasi kita mo ba, iba yung bali ng katawan ng ano eh, nung isang ano eh, yung isang nakahiga sa kabila, di ba, no? Iba yung bali ng katawan eh.
Do you believe this was
Oh, yan,
genuine?
no? Yung paa niya nandito sa kabila, sabi yung katawan niya, tapos yung kamay niya doon, parang malabong totoo. Pero hindi rin natin alam na. Kaya kayo na bahala mag-isip kung totoo ba o hindi.
Unexplained footage? Or was it all just a clever edit? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let us know what you think. A man was exploring all on his own when he stumbled upon an abandoned house. But while filming his walkthrough, his camera unexpectedly captured something nobody was prepared to see. Suddenly, a dark entity appeared right before his eyes, looking as if it had been disturbed. Panicking, the explorer had no choice but to turn around and run for his life. Locals say this abandoned location has a long history of strange, unexplainable encounters. But what do you think the dark figure captured on camera really was? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.
Pero kung pakikinggan mo yung boses nung ano no nung entity na yun, ibang klase rin eh.
Was exploring all on
pakinggan niyo
his
ulit
own when he stumbled. Suddenly, a dark entity appeared right before his eyes, looking as if it had been disturbed. Panicking,
Pati ang laki ng bibig eh. Maaring totoo yun eh, no?
the explorer had no choice but to turn around and run for his life. Locals say this abandoned location has a long history of strange, unexplainable encounters. But what do you think the dark figure captured on camera really was? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.
Oo, maaring totoo yun kasi iba yung tsura nung nilalang na yun eh. Hindi rin natin alam kung baka hayop, kasi baka nagambala nga daw eh, kaya nagising, kaya nagulat din sa kanya. Kaya tumakbo yung nag-explore. Pero sa inyo pa rin yung kung maniniwala kayo o hindi, di ba?
An unexplainable event happened to a truck driver after his vehicle has suddenly malfunctioned and came to a dead stop. What he discovered next left him completely frozen in shock, and I'm pretty sure what you're about to see right now will leave you just as speechless. Do you think this is real, or just another clever edit? After catching a glimpse of a strange figure that seemed to be floating in midair with only its legs clearly visible, the terrified driver didn't stick around to find out. He took off running, and nobody knows what actually happened after the camera cut out. What do you think? Was it a genuine, unexplainable mystery, or just a trick of the mind? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.
Oo, pero kung sakaling totoo 'yun, nakakatakot 'yun kasi may nakalutang na tao sa bipaan lang, 'di ba? Makikita mo sa sa ilalim na 'yun. Kaya yung lalaki, yung driver na patakbo, kahit sino ba naman tatakbo, makakita ka ng gano'n, 'di ba? Let's say puwedeng totoo.
Here's another incredible piece of CCTV footage you need to see. At first glance, everything looks completely normal and nothing seems out of place. But did you miss what was hiding right in plain sight? If you look closely, you can see a pair of white-clad legs walking across the frame with no torso or upper body attached whatsoever. Even the dog sitting nearby Thog turns its head and follows the floating figure as it moves past. It's almost impossible to explain what kind of entity would take a shape like this. Have you ever encountered anything like this before? Or do you have a logical explanation for what the camera caught? Share your thoughts in the comments section below.
Hindi rin natin masasabi kung totoo 'to, eh, 'no, kasi titingnan niyo yung galaw nung naglalakad, nakakatuwa.
To explain what kind of entity would take a shape like this. Have you ever encountered anything like this before? Or do you have a logical explanation for what the camera caught? Share your thoughts in the comments section below.
Iba yung lakad niya, iba, eh, 'no? Pati number 1 diyan yung aso. Kasi yung aso number 1 'pag nakakita ng kakaiba, number 1 'tong tumatahol kaagad. Pero siya hindi, eh, parang kakilala niya yung naglalakad o may hawak o yung taong gumagawa nito, 'di ba? Pati yung lakad niya kasi kakaiba, eh.
Entity would take a shape like this. Have you ever encountered
Parang
anything
ano, eh.
like this before? Or do you have a logical explanation for what the camera caught? Share your thoughts in the comments section below.
Ayan yung lakad niya, tingnan mo, parang ano, eh, parang gawa-gawa lang, 'di ba? Ewan ko lang sa inyo, kung ano paniniwala niyo siyempre.
A man in Indonesia was recording a peaceful gathering with his family inside a mosque when his camera unexpectedly caught something truly strange in the background. Let's take a closer look at what was caught on tape.
Kita ni tengah haji ni weh. Aku Herwan sekitaran masjid. Apa ni weh? Apa ni weh? Weh apa ni weh?
Now the real question is,
Wait,
could this footage captured by the man actually be genuine paranormal evidence? Or is it just a clever edit? Take a look and judge for yourself. What do you think?
Pero iba yung mukha, oh. Iba yung mukha nung taong yun, oh.
Genuine paranormal evidence? Or is it just a clever edit? Take a
Oh.
look and judge for yourself. What do you think?
Weh ni.
Kasi may mga video na hindi mo masasabing ano, eh, na totoo o tunay talaga kasi maitsura kasi para masasabi mong totoo rin talaga, eh. 'Di ba? Kumbaga nakuhanan talaga ng camera na ibang ibang ano and ano ba tawag dun, kumbaga ibang nilalang yung ano nakuhanan talaga, 'di ba? Kaya ewan ko na lang sa inyo kung ano sa palagay niyo sa video na yun, 'di ba? Kaya comment niyo na lang diyan kung anong sa tingin niyo.
A security guard is keeping a close eye on his VVBV monitors while watching over the church grounds when he caught something completely unexpected. What appeared on the surveillance camera left him frozen in shock. Even you won't be able to explain what happened here. Watch closely and see if you can explain it.
Hmm. Oh, may pumasok. Tas sumara.
If you look closely at the footage, the door suddenly swings open entirely on its own. Right after, what looks like a white apparition passes through the open doorway,
may lumabas
steps back
muna.
inside, and then the door suddenly slams shut with no one anywhere near it. Could this just be a digital glitch in the camera feed? A sudden gust of wind opening the door, while dust or a bug on the lens created that white figure? Or was something supernatural actually moving through the church? What do you think?
Totoo yun kasi ano, eh, ang sabi baka ano lang daw, may error lang yung camera ta's hangin lang daw ang nagpagalaw sa pintuan. Pero kung pagmamasdan mo ng maigi, hindi mo masasabing hangin or may problema sa camera, eh.
If you look closely at the footage, the door suddenly swings open entirely on its own. Right after, what looks like a white apparition passes through the open doorway, steps back inside, and then the door suddenly slams shut with no one anywhere near it. Could this just be a digital glitch in the camera feed? A sudden gust of wind opening the door, while dust or a bug on the lens created that white figure? Or was something supernatural actually moving through the church? What do you think?
Totoo yun, hindi hangin lang siguro yun. Pero sa kanila pa rin
How do you
yun
even
kung
begin
maniniwala o hindi.
to explain something like this to a child? Everyone present was left in absolute shock, completely frozen and at a total loss for what to do
Bata
as
si
an
Vale.
unexplainable mystery unfolded right before their eyes. Today, we're taking a closer look at the unbelievable footage captured in Thunder Moon Man, the mysterious event that centered around a child.
Oh,
Astagfirullahaladzim.
inatak yung bata.
Ayah, demi Allah, kayak dia nyeret dia nah. Demi Allah, demi Allah. Demi Allah, kayak ada yang nyeret dia nah. Bener-bener, astagfirullahaladzim. Ya, bang bilang. Nih.
Hindi mahatak no ano, no, nakatanda, oh. Hala. Kawawa yung bata.
When they reviewed the security footage, they were stunned. The CCTV captured something pulling a child by the leg dragged by an unseen force straight toward the underside of the bed. The clip instantly went viral on social media, leaving millions terrified. With our own eyes, we can clearly see the child being pulled, but no matter how hard you look, you cannot see what or who is pulling them. Fortunately, a quick-thinking young boy noticed what was happening to his sibling and immediately alerted the adults. The family rushed into the room and tried to pull the child back, but the force pulling from under the bed was so strong they struggled to break its grip. In a panic, they had to lift the entire bed frame off the floor to pull the child out safely. The most chilling part, when they cleared the area, there was no one under the bed. Absolutely no one else in the room. So, what do you think was pulling the child's foot? What really happened here? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so we can keep exploring the strange and unexplainable together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next mystery.
Ayan, balikan natin yan.
But no matter how
Kasi tingnan nyo
the
yung
clip
ano,
instantly went viral on social media, leaving millions terrified. With our own eyes, we can clearly see the child being pulled. But no matter how hard you look, you cannot see what.
kung papansinin nyo yung ano, yung yung nangyayari. Sa umpisa. Ayun yung bata, oh, yan yung bata. Makikita nyo, may humatak talaga eh, na hindi
Centered around
nakikita
the
talaga eh,
child.
oh. Yan yung bata, eh, oh. Tapos bigla na lang man yung paa nyo. Diba? Wawa naman yung bata.
Ayah, demi Allah, kayak ada yang
You know?
nyeret dia nah. Demi Allah, demi Allah.
Sipin nyo kung anak nyo yan, eh, no?
Demi Allah, kayak ada yang nyeret dia nah.
Biglang may ibang nilalang o hindi nakikitang nilalang na biglang may humatak. Kumbaga, ang lakas niya, kumbaga. Kasi nakakahatak na siya ng ano, ng tao eh. Ayan o, hinahatak ng matanda pero hindi mahatak eh. Hanggang inangatan nila yung higaan. Pero makikita ko sa ilalim, wala rin tao eh. Oh. Nakakatakot yung ganyang bahay na ano, na tapos may anak kang ganyan na bata.
Captured something pulling a child by the
Tapos
leg dragged by an
ginagambalan
unseen
mga
force
ganyang
straight toward the
nilalang.
underside of the bed. The clip instantly went viral on social media, leaving millions terrified.
Ayan, grabe
With our
no.
own eyes, we can clearly see the child being pulled, but no matter how hard you look, you cannot see what or who is pulling them. Fortunately, a quick-thinking young
Kumbaga sa ano eh, anong gagawin nyo kung sa anak nyo mangyayari yan? Siyempre, pag anak mo, mahal mo yan, di ba? Hindi mo pababayaan yan. Kaya, nasa inyo na ang pasya kung anong gagawin nyo, pati sa mga video nakita natin ngayong araw to. Kayo na bahala magpasya kung totoo ba o hindi. Gawa-gawa lang ba o totoong nangyayari. Alright, so hanggang doon na lang tayo mga boss, mga master. At sana nagustuhan nyo ang video na pinakita natin ngayong araw na to. At huwag nyong kalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe. Alright. At salamat sa lahat sa mga followers ko na nag-share ng aking video. At hanggang sa muli, adios mga butet!